I already reached the total tools and equipment shop. This one is a very big. All types of tools and equipment is here. So I'm going to pick some of them and add to my garage, and hopefully it will help because to fully equip this workshop so that I can make more work easier, make life easier too, and be more productive too. Alright, so let's go and tour the whole shop. Let's go. I think I'm going to buy one of these. I'm going to show you guys the spec. Final song. Right, this one is a 4 horsepower single phase with very low noise level, and this one is comes with 200 liters of you can see 200 liters of air capacity. So this one will not run out during when we try to open like 8 tires, 2 cars, right? So this one will definitely have so much more capacity than normal. It will be a very good addition to our workshop, and this one definitely will help us. Alright, as you guys can see, this one is like normal. You can adjust your pressure here. Okay. Okay, let's open this 3-ton hydraulic jack. Wow. At a very affordable price, this one looks like a very good quality. Okay, let's continue to install this. Hey. Ah, yeah. Oh, this one is not that portable, but it's super heavy. Okay, this one comes in double pump, so this one should be very fast. Okay, looks very sturdy. All the metal plates are very thick. All the rollers are very heavy duty though. So let's try something. Oh, this one safety lock here. Okay, tighten it. Very fast. Good. Let's try on this Mercedes Benz. Ooh.